Hi everyone. So today I didn't know what to make for dinner. It is very hot out. I want to make something really fresh and not too much work. So let's begin. I have some chicken cutlets. I just patted and I just put it in the flour and I'm going to coat it in the oil too. Just been doing this on all of them. I don't even know what to call this dish. I'm just going to make these cutlets. I'm going to put some capers in there, some lemon juice, some little tomatoes, a little zucchini, some parsley, some garlic, some olives, lemon juice. Let's see what I can come up with. So I put them in the oil. Just put the cutlets in there after you pass them into the flour. Coat them with the flour and just put them in there. And just turn them. Let's see what we come up with. Now we're going to add some zucchini. One zucchini. Let it cook in there. We're gonna add the tomatoes, split them in half. Just a few, not too many, because you don't want to make a sauce. Okay. Now sprinkle some parsley right over it. I'm going to add some olives. These are the olives that I made back in the fall. Okay. Now we're going to add some capers in here. Not too many. I use Goya capers. If anybody don't know what capers are, they look like a little tiny olive, but they're not olives. But they're called capers. Try them in your recipes. Not all of them, but they're very yummy. We're just going to let this cook a little while, and in the meantime I'm going to cut up a garlic. Add the garlic. Just cut it up nicely. Sprinkle it all over. Add some salt. Okay, and let's put the cover back on for a little while longer. Just went outside, I picked a little bit of basil. I'm going to put some of this in there too. Why not? It will not hurt. Basil is always great to put on everything. I'm checking on them. So I turned the cutlets. And I put the veggies, the zucchini right at the bottom, the cutlets on top, because they're really almost done. And here what it looks like. Let's give it a little more longer. In the meantime, the little bit of flour that is left, get lemon juice, put it right in it, right into that flour. I would say about half a cup, and just blend it in together. Just beat it nicely that the flour all melts. And let's see. I would say these are done. So now we are going to add the lemon juice. I think I'm going to call this dish cutlets primavera. pour this over. Let it finish cooking and simmer all together. Looks so good. It smells delicious. 2 minutes with the lemon juice, just so like it grabs all together. It's more than enough. There we go. Now let's put it in the plate and taste it. Here we go. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Okay. Now we're going to sprinkle some parsley over it. Fresh parsley, just freshly picked. A little salt extra, a little pepper, and voila. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's see, what did I make here? I have no clue. Wow. I must say, this came out really delicious. So let's call it cutlets primavera. With a little bit of red wine. Buon appetito. It's really delicious. It took me, I would say, half hour. No more than that. Chin chin. Buon appetito.